Alright, today we are replacing the cabin air filter on a 2006 Mazda 6. Relatively simple thing to do, but believe it or not, there are people that just can't figure it out on their own. So here we're going to do it. So first thing you do is clean out your glove box. But on the right side of the glove box, there is a little clip down here. And I can't take this off without with one hand, so I'll have to do it later. But you get a screwdriver and you come under there and lift that up just a little bit. And then from the inside you can see, I don't know if you can see it without this, you can kind of see it slides up. Okay. As you can see, I took it out. Pretty easy. And it's attached to a little plunger, and it'll want to slide and pop back up inside, and that's okay. So then the next thing you want to do is with both hands, get in here and squeeze the side of it on each side, and over here on this side, squeeze it. And as you squeeze it, you're going to be taking it out of this, like that, and down it comes. Alright, then the filter is hidden behind this little cover right here, and there are clips up underneath here. You just pop that clip up, and pop the clip on the other side, off it comes. Okay, and this little pre-filter can be cleaned off, and then the filter itself is right in here. It slides out pretty easy. You have to kind of tweak it on the right side over here to make it get around everything, and then you just slide it on out, and voila, it's done. So then the reverse of this, of course, is putting it back in. So just remember, when you put the new filter on, see how that says airflow, and the arrow is pointing down. So you want to make sure that's pointing just like that when it goes down. So I did want to point out to you the little this little tab. I don't think you can do it. Let me put a flashlight on it. Okay, so they see this little air cylinder up in here, little white thing, and it has a cable running down it. Alright, that little guy is your little clippy. You have to kind of get it out of the way when you bring the box back up in place. So like I hold it back up like this, out of the way, while I close the door. Alright, so let's put the filter back in just like this, and you have to kind of, like I said, kind of tweak it, put it in on the left side, and then tweak it a little bit, kind of bend it a little bit. It's flexible. Like that, and it's in. One thing I also like to do is actually put a date on the day that I put it in. So I'm going to do that real quick and get right back to you. Okay, so here we are, and we're going to put this little filter cover back on, and it clips in right over underneath those. Starting on, push through these little tabs right here. These little tabs, put them in first. Like that. And just push down on the bottom, it'll pop it in. And do the same on the right side. Here, pop in. Okay, and then while I'm in there, I'm going to grab that cable right there. You can see that cable. I'm going to take and get that puppy and hold it to the right like that. I'm going to put the camera down because I can't do this with one hand. And I'm going to hold the cable to the right while I put the box back in place. Alright, so I got the box back in place. All I did is squeezed in the left and right side and popped it up into place. I got to hold on to this cable here. Okay, so just take this tab, put it in the hole, slide it up, pops right into place. You can see there. And that's it. Door should close just fine. Ta-da! You just changed your cabin filter. Thanks for watching.